Rise and shine, it's Cletus time. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. It's raining outside. We're going to end up in the woods. We're going to make some chorizo first. We're going to make some chorizo gravy because Bigfoots can't handle spicy, y'all. So what I'm going to do is we're going to make some chorizo. We're going to make some chorizo gravy. We're going to leave it out for that Bigfoot, and we're going to get him. Let's get started. Go ahead and grab your ingredients. All right. First thing we're going to do, I got my peppers I got down in the description down below. But what we're going to do is we're going to take off the tops of these. Break them up a little bit. We got to get all them seeds out. And just like this, you break it up over a container here. You want to get all those seeds because we don't want none of them seeds in our gravy. See all them seeds fall out? You can just smell the spiciness. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to turn on about medium heat here. We're going to put your peppers in here. There's a few seeds, that's all right. Put the garlic in here. And then you just want to get this spread around. But what we want to do is just cover, put enough in there that everything's nice and wet. Now, we're going to cook this for like 10 minutes so we can soften up everything in here. And then we're going to put it in the food processor and we're going to cook it up from there. Now, I'll let this cook a little bit longer than 10 minutes. I put some more water in. As you can see, I got too much water, but that's all right. All we really need to do with this water is hydrate the peppers. And then even after that, we can use this pepper water for other things. Like if this chorizo gets too dried out, we just add in some pepper juice. So see what we're going to do is we're going to go over there, we're going to filter this, and then we're going to put it in the blender, and we're going to blend it up. You know, see, I'm just going to take this out my mesh here. I got all that out. And then this is what we want here. You see that beautiful pepper water? We can use this for other things. Let's get over to the blender. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a mixer, got your food processor, whatever you got. Make sure that's on there good. Put your pepper, garlic mixture in there. Put all your spices in there. Now I'm only making a pound. You can actually scale this up to as big as you'd like. Now only put a dash of chili powder in there. We're going to really burn that Bigfoot. You quit stealing my food. Then once we got all that in there, let's see, this is the great thing. Take you a spoon. If it looks a little dry, we're going to be putting some of that straight pepper juice in there. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons in there. And what we're going to do, put that lid on, and then now we're going to pulse it. We're not going to pulse it. We're going to start it. We're going to let it go for several minutes until it's puree, which you may need to take the top off, take your spoon, and push it down. I'll see you. All right. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for it for nice and pureed, and it can't be too dry. And we're going to go ahead and okay, this is done. Take the blade out of there. Now join me over there. We're going to mix it up, and we're going to. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take. We got our pork here, and I got this container because we're going to let it sit for a while. But all you need to do is scrape this out on your pork. And if it's got any old ground pork, you can even grind it up yourself. Make sure you get all that goodness out of there. Bigfoot's not going to know what hit him. Now we're just going to mix this together with our hands. And once we get it all nice and mixed together, see, it wants to be a nice orangish color. Now we got it all mixed together. We're going to just put this lid on this Tupperware. I'm going to wash my hands real good. Put the lid on this Tupperware, and then we're going to put it in the fridge, and we're going to let it rest anywhere from 4 hours to overnight, however long you like to kind of let it sit and all the spices all mixed together. But I'll see you after this rest. I was getting to making some gravy. What I did is I cut up an onion, and I just took a splash of my pepper water from earlier. Put in just a tiny bit. So we want to just cook down those onions. And then in a second, we're gonna put in some chorizo. So that way we got some onions, we got some chorizo, we'll get our flour, and it's just like my normal gravy making, just with a little bit of onions and a little bit of difference. We'll cook those down for a few minutes. While those are cooking, you can see my chorizo here. It's got developed a lot of color. It smells great. But to make the gravy, all we need is just a handful. So I just grabbed a handful. I'm gonna crumple that into the onion mixture. We're gonna cook all this down and then start making gravy with it. Spoon and get some flour. And then just like with any gravy, we put that, some flour in there. We gotta cook all this around to where we lose that flour taste. Yeah, it's looking kind of dry. So we grab a little bit of butter. This gravy cooked up extremely fast. I think it's ready. I think we're ready to start plating it. And I think we're ready to start going and spicing up a Bigfoot because he keeps on stealing my food. Him and his raccoon buddy stole my pawpaws, so I can't make any pawpaw jam this year. But let's get on the plate and I'll see you outside. Here you go, Bigfoot. Got you a plate of chorizo biscuits and gravy. If you want to come out and get it. It's not that spicy, really.
Ugh, Cletus, that chorizo gravy's tearing up my Sasquatch gut. It was so good. I'll get you back.
He took it. He took everything, and he dropped his camera, and we got him good this time. Join me next week as I make more cooking, and who knows what we're gonna make. Or I might make something with Bigfoot in mind. We might make something not, but I'm definitely gonna make some down-home favorites. Like and subscribe. See the recipe down below, and I'll see you next time.